Hi there, and welcome to Deel. We are so excited to have you on board. In this video, we're going to take you through some key information that is specific to your onboarding journey as an employee in Germany. We will be covering topics including Social Security, tax ID, health insurance, and pension. Let's start with Social Security. During your onboarding, you will be asked to provide your Social Security number. In Germany, your Social Security number is issued automatically when you are first registered, typically when you start your first job. When you start working or you apply for public health insurance, the insurer applies for your Social Security number on your behalf. Once your health insurance provider requests it, the German Pension Insurance Office issues your Social Security number to you. Please make sure you add it to the Deel platform. If you have any questions, please contact your health insurance provider or the German Pension Insurance Office directly. Let's move on to the tax ID. If this is your first employment in Germany and you do not have a tax ID, here's what you need to do. Register your permanent address at the residence office in your city. In most cities, you can get an appointment online. Once you've completed the tax registration, you'll receive your tax ID number by mail from the Federal Central Tax Office. If you do not yet have a tax ID in Germany, you can provide it later. Until then, you will be placed in tax class 6 by default. And please make sure you add your tax ID to the Deel platform. And now a bit more about health insurance. To register your health insurance and ensure payment to your provider, please provide the following information based on your insurance type. If your insurance is statutory or voluntary statutory, please submit a scanned copy of the front and back of your chip card or a certificate from your health insurance provider. For private insurance, upload a digital copy of your private health insurance certificate to the platform. You can obtain the certificate directly from your private health insurance provider. If you are not yet insured in Germany, please know this is mandatory. You must take immediate action, choose a health insurance provider, and apply for health insurance. Remember to contact the chosen provider indicated on the health insurance statement form to complete the registration process. Your health insurance enrollment will only be complete once this step is done. And now let's talk pension. In Germany, all registered employees contribute to the statutory pension scheme. Additionally, there is a supplemental pension called company pensions or betriebliche Altersvorsorge, or short BAV, that employees contribute to through their employers. If you already have a company pension plan and you want to transfer it to Deel, please provide us with a protocol, Übernahmeprotokoll, and our payroll team will set up your contributions according to your plan. A little bit more about the BAV. In Germany, BAV refers to an optional occupational pension scheme that provides additional retirement savings, which supplements the state pension. For voluntary participation, BAV is not mandatory. Employees can choose to participate but must actively sign up with an insurance provider of their choice. Here's how it works. Employees can contribute part of their salary to the BAV, and employers may offer matching contributions. The money is saved for retirement and can be withdrawn when you reach retirement age. The benefits are: contributions are tax advantaged and the employer's contribution are exempt from Social Security charges. The employer contributes 15% to the plan as legally required. Only Direktversicherung, direct insurance, is supported by our company as the insurance provider for BAV. Employees must select Direktversicherung to participate in the BAV scheme. Employees can transfer existing BAV plans from a previous employer. If you need assistance or have questions, please reach out to our HR team at Deel. Thank you very much for your attention. We are wishing you a smooth onboarding. And all the best for your journey at Deel.